This is a 1964 Norton Electra. It's the bike that my dad bought just before he got ill. When he was in the last week or so with us, he made me promise him that I'd put it back together. So I spent the last 8 weeks, it's 8 weeks today since he passed away. I spent the last 8 weeks putting it back together. So we've got a fully refurbished starter motor. This is quite an unusual bike for a 1964. It had an electric start. That's one of the reasons why Dad wanted it, because it was a lot lighter and easier to handle. I rebuilt the carb. It's got a refurbished petrol tank, so fully sprayed, cleaned up. Completely rewired in the last couple of months. The original wiring was a bit of a mess. All the previous owners have kind of added to it over the years, and it was all a bit of a mess, so I started again completely from scratch. It's all looking pretty good now. I hit my deadline of 8 weeks. I think it's pretty much finished, other than putting some petrol in it and trying to start it up. We've never actually had this bike running. It was bought as a project and not something that we got round to finishing off. Nice little bike. Let's see if we can get it going. Got some fresh fuel. Back down off the lift. First time this has had any fuel in it since it's been refurbished, so hopefully there's going to be no leaks. It's a modern acrylic paint job, so hopefully there'll be no issues with ethanol. Let's see if we can get it started. Turn the fuel tap on. Give the carb a little tickle, so you get a little bit of fuel on the fingers. Turn the ignition on. See if we can get it going. Really. Moment of truth, see if the electric start works.